Hello friends, welcome to Pro Trading Zone. So today was a really good day for us. We made a really good profit today and trading was quite simple. We created our positions, we were ready with our pivot points and we were ready to take action as soon as something goes in our way. So it was in our way that we wanted the market in the sideways. It was in our way that we made a good theta decay, and if market breaks, it should break violently. Right. So let's see what exactly happened first in depth, how the chart pattern were formed, what was my thought process, and later I will put in some my live shots in the video, as well as there would be some video links over here. The short links itself would be over here, so you can see that I have been putting it in live in the market. So let's see what was the guidance from the market in the day wise and what was our pivot points. So today we considered pivot points that was 35,431 first. Then we considered 35,074 second, and the bottom one was 34,788. These were the three main pivots we consider in the beginning of the day. The reason I considered 35,074 was that it created a kind of a sideways pattern over here, and we are very happy that we see a sideways pattern or we find a stability around a certain zone. So 35,074 sufficed it extremely well, and we took the point 35,639 later on, but it was this pattern that the middle of the day was 16th March, which told me that 35,639 would be an important point. And you can see that there was a good price action over here. Once the day started, we didn't have 35,216 and 34,903 as our pivot point in the beginning of the day. But later on the day, when the market was way too sideways, later in the day, when market was way too sideways, I believe that market would be shooting on either of the direction. So basically we do zone trading. For first time when we considered the day's pivot, our pivot points were 35,431, 35,074 and 34,788. But later when market was on the sideways direction and was showing not much of a up or down in it, directions in it, I chose the yesterday's lowest point as important pivot point, as was it was near our consolidation zone. Same ways the opposite side was considered at 34,093. In zone trading, it is very important to understand that you do not take a trade in a directional format when market is consolidating in a smaller time frame, and market is consolidation in longer time frame. What I mean is that even though you would have considered this to be in 3 minutes, these are 15 minutes candle, and you can see they were not making much of a headway to either of the directions. Once you get this, you should be ready to put your short straddle and short strangle. So basically we trade in short straddle and short strangles, that is we go short in call and put at once. So once I saw there was an opening over here that market is trying to go sideways after a very steep fall down, I took a short straddle and short strangle position over here. Let's see in the shorter time frame how it looked. In the shorter time frame, we took a trade over here. I will put my shorts right now over here.
So market has opened almost flat today as compared to yesterday, and it started coming down considerably, and it made a base around a pivot point of 35,874, and it started going sideways. Right now I expect market to be in the sideways node, and important pivot points for today are 35,431 upside, on the below side is 35,788. If any of the side is breached, we are going to exit our trade in short straddle and short strangle that we are going to put right now. So we have put in two strategies, one of which is short strangle with a strike price of 34,300 put with a premium of 191, and second strike is 35,900 call. Both are in short position. Call premium is 210 for right now, and you can see there is P&L at 0 right now. The second strategy is short straddle. We have taken it at ATM, that is 35,200 call with a premium of 494, and 35,200 put short, that is 491. Both are in short position, and we are looking at a loss of 0.07, that is 12,750 rupees.
As you can see, we have put in a short straddle and short strangle both at 943 approximately over here, because I found that even though it tried to go down with a very strong full candle of it without the wick, still it didn't show much of a difference. Even though I saw it came down and went up, I took a trade over here because I found that market is creating a sideways pattern for itself, so I took a trade. So when you consider that market is going to the sideways, going directional is a stupid thing. So we took a non-directional trade and sat over there up till it went over here. Even though I started seeing a rally over here and created this kind of chart pattern, but mostly I focus on taking horizontal channel patterns more important than this diagonal type of trend line. Reason for that it is that whenever it breaks a channel, you see an exponential burst on either of the direction, on upside or even downside. So we do not take any trade when it is in your consolidation zone. That is what I call as zone trading. Zone trading basically means is that there is a non directional trading should happen in a zone that is defined every day. If market breaks out of it, we take a directional view of trading. So if that is not the case, we only take non-directional trade and we do not make any adjustment until and unless the zone, that is 35,216 and below 34,903, is not broken. If you consider this chart, if market went up here, I was ready to cut my short call because short call would have given me losses on this side, or if market would have been reversed and coming over here, I would have cut my short put position if market would have gone down. But since it was going sideways, I didn't take any trade or just sat on my short straddle and short strangle position. So over a period of time, due to theta decay, that's an option Greek. You should watch my Greeks option by Pro Trading Zone video to understand about what exactly is the role of Greek options in an option trading. If you buy or sell, both are important in the scenario for taking into consideration what is Greeks in the option.
So you can see market has been going steadily upwards right now, and you can draw a diagonal trading line which is diagonal to our trading zone, that is our zone trading pattern, and we have considered channel of 35,216 and 34,903 as important pivot point. If it goes up from here, we would be cutting our call position and let put position ride for the profit. If it goes below this, we would be cutting our short put position and let call short position to run in profit. Market is between these two zones. We are just gonna keep our original position in short strangle and short straddle. We won't be making any trades.
Market moves out of zone, it just blasts onto either of the direction. So this could be seen in the same ways. We cut our position of call short over here somewhere.
Has shoot up. We are exiting our trade of call short, and we have kept our trade of put short. So we made a decent profit of 2,35,125, that is 1.67% in short straddle. In short strangle, we have cut off our short call position and held our short put position. We are making profit of 1.1%, that is 1,30,000. So market has shot up considerably, and you can see it has touched another pivot point of ours, and now we are exiting the trade. It is okay to let go profit on the upper side or it comes down crashing heavily again. We don't care, we are just exiting all our trades and we are booking profit for the day. So we are booking a profit in our short put position also right now. We have exited call position as soon as it has crossed one of our pivot points. We are making a profit of 1,71,750 rupees, that is 1.46% in total. We are exiting our short straddle position right now. We have cut our short call position as soon as it broke our first pivot point, and short put is also showing good profit right now. In total we are making 3,55,000 rupees, that is 2.53% of total profit on our portfolio. Exit all trade and close your position.
To cut my short call, because short call would have given me losses in this side, or if market would have been reversed and coming over here, I would have cut my short put position if market would have gone down. But since it was going sideways, I didn't take any trade or just sat on my short straddle and short strangle position. So over a period of time, due to theta decay, that's an option Greek. You should watch my Greeks option by Pro Trading Zone video to understand about what exactly is the role of Greek options in an option trading. If you buy or sell, both are important in the scenario for taking into consideration what is Greeks in the option. So here we took the help of theta to gain some profit over here, and until it came over here we were making approximately 0.4% of the profit. So point from here 943 approximately to 9 1215, we were saying our profit to be 0.4% of our portfolio. Remember, our bank fixed deposit gives you 6%, and we were looking at 0.4% return in 3 hours in our portfolio, total amount of our portfolio. So once it started going up, the simplest thing we do is that we cut one of our position as it breaks our zone trading, because whenever market moves out of zone, it just blasts onto either of the direction. So this could be seen in the same ways. We cut our position of call short over here somewhere, and later we closed our position. I was thinking that we should close our position over here, but I didn't took much action over here because I tried to wait over here. If it came down again, as I shown in my adjustment video, you have a link over here. You can take that view what I have about short strangle and how to do adjustment. If it would have come back over here, I would have taken the adjustment, that is cutting off my short put as well, to preserve my profit. So I just waited and market just shot again, up again, and approximately over here I decided I should exit my trade. And once I exited, even though market showed me a good possibility that I should take a sideways trend over here again, but we do not enter trade again. Market blesses you with profit, you take that profit and you enjoy it. You do not take extra trades over there when you are making profit. You take trade only when you believe that you are making a good amount of money. So you can see the exit amount that we have been earning today from short straddle and short strangle. Both the strategy work brilliantly. Here's the short. So you saw that we make a good amount of money over here by exiting. Even though if market would have gone down, we would have still made money. The beauty of non-directional trade with zone trading that I am teaching right now is that you make money when it goes to either of the direction, and you keep strong rules, basic strong simple rules to make money. I put my shorts every day in the live trading session when it is happening. I give market analysis, I give chat patterns, I talk about what strategy I'm taking, what is the thought process behind it, how I'm gonna adjust my trades when the market changes, what is the scenarios of the market, what is the view of the market that you are looking at. All these things could be seen. So if you think that it is difficult to make profit in the market, you should follow my shorts understand exactly how I'm taking a trade, then you can take your trade as you wish. But if you are taking a trade as copy trading, please do your own research before directly copying my trades. Make sure that you have learned enough to take a trade, or learned enough how to take a trade in options, that is short options or long options trading. So whenever you think that you are ready, then only copy my trades or take an inspiration from it. I would suggest that you should take an inspiration and make your own trade happen. This channel is all about learning. So you should make yourself capable enough to do trading by yourself. Okay. This is for today itself. This is for the bank nifty. And if you want to see more of my trades and how I do my trading, you should watch my other long videos. This is a long video. Similarly, I post long videos every day. You could get a notification if you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, you will be getting the latest update to all the videos and the content I post on my YouTube channel. So right now, this is for the day, and we had a good day. Follow me tomorrow or come visit my channel tomorrow again in the live trading session. Thank you.